All right, dude. I'll get that ready. Yeah, man.
right.
All right, those should be good to go. So we'll take care of those in a minute. Hey, welcome back to TruckU. Today on the Dodge, what we're doing is really just making it look a lot better. Kind of chroming some of these things out and covering up a lot of the plastic. That takes us right down here to these step bars. That's what's next, okay? Look, we got some plastic down here every now and then. This can break off. You got to replace it. You want to make it look a lot better. That's what we're doing. And that is where this RealStep comes in from the guys at RealWheels Accessories. Now, this is going to fit on any 3-inch tube, so it's going to fit on a lot of them. And take a look at that, man. Already, it just looks a lot better.
You know, and the folks at RealWheels, it's not just about looks, because this is actually a safety feature. Believe it or not, it's about 1 inch to 1.5 inches wider than that plastic underneath it. Now, let's face it, you live in the north, you're in snow, and all kinds of garbage gets on that pad. It's slippery. It can be actually dangerous. You know, you see women all the time hop out of the truck, hopping over the step bar. With this thing, it's got these extrusions right here, which actually bite into your shoe, so you know you're going to have a nice, flat surface to step in and out of.
Well, you know, we get this on, it goes on pretty easy. You just got to get it started, and you want to make sure that you grease those bolts right there. Very, very important that you do that, because it is stainless. So if you're going to zip them up in there real fast and it's going to get hot and everything's going to expand, next thing you know, this little bolt's going to seize up on you in the hole and you're going to have problems. So make sure you pay attention to that in the instructions. And all you have to do is get these started.
Once these screws get started, it goes on pretty easy. All you do is you pull off this tab, and you'll suck this up to the sides, put a level on it, make sure you got a flat surface to work with. Now, these folks also make one in black, which is nice. It gives you a little different option. Plus, it's got these little holes pre-drilled. We can put little LED lights. Some of these guys even hook these up to turn signals and stuff.
Yeah.
It's all about the bling sometimes.
The guys at RealWheels have got you covered, man, and like we said, it's just a nice, easy way to really make things look a lot better, and it's a lot safer as well. Now, that is right where I want it. Okay, so that level is good, so we'll move that, right? Now, I said they thought of everything. Even the double-sided tape that's on the inside of this little hardware right here, it has a little tab on it, so it's nice and easy to get, and you can just yank it right off.
Yep,
and
got
then
it.
Boom, yep, and push that up to where you want it. That'll stick to the tube. Now all we have to do is tighten them down.
Yep.
You go ahead and tighten from the front first, because that way it'll close up the little clamp right there will mate right with the bottom of the step.
You in place?
I'm good.
All right.
All right. That's pretty good.
Looks good, man.
RealStep is on, and it looks great.